Box TV, come for talk. Today's topic is about when a Jamaican visit foreign versus when a foreigner visit Jamaica. And me I go say this in the beginning, a foreigner normally get the bill. When a Jamaican come a foreign, visit the family where they are. The foreigner normally carry them go here, carry them go there, show them this, show them this, show them that, bring them go a nice restaurant, make them eat good, them do all of that and all these things, and the foreigner cover the bill. Now, on the flip side, when a foreigner decide to go back to Jamaica, for a little 3 days, you know, them tired of work, them tired of the cold, them just want rest for about 3 days. No matter what them do at Jamaica, them will get the bill. First things first, when them go to Jamaica, whatever family house them a stay, them have to make sure them buy food for the entire house. Because if them only buy food for themselves, it will go look away. Now remember, say a 3 day there for. This is how it starts. The foreigner decide to go to the beach. And if you have a whole heap of family member, when you go to the beach, everybody want eat. If you go El Shawish for the teeth them there, everybody want lobster, everybody want steamed fish, everybody want bami, everybody want the good up festival and all these things, and the foreigner get the bill. It get even worse. 3 days there for. Let's just say you paid 2 times a day, so that's 6 times you paid for the entire trip. When you come back, don't forget you are gonna get the water bill there for the whole month. Let's say one of the days them you're bored, you sit down and want to watch local TV. Yeah man, you gonna get a light bill there, man. You gonna get a light bill there for the month. And the food where you buy for the entire house, if them cook for you, don't forget you are gonna get the gas bill there. Also, don't forget when you leave, because you stay there, so you have to left them with a thing, because at this so you're there. And if you want to go a party and them something there and family a roll, don't forget you have to go get that bill there. Yeah man, you have to go pay for him, and you have to go probably buy drinks as well. So you see that little 3 days that we take for go to Jamaica, go spend with your family, the way how you treat them nice and everything. When you go, 95% of the time it's not the same. You are get that bill there. So prepare yourself, because guess what? You are get that bill there. When them come a foreign and we show them all of this hospitality, don't expect the same thing, because guess what? You are gonna end up with that bill there. This is why most foreigners with family go a resort, and you can't too blame them. But anyway, that's another video. So make sure you comment, share and like, subscribe as well for the topic there. And don't forget to send this to somebody where you go visit and them give you the bill them. Yeah man, and you gonna get that bill there, man. Box TV, I'm out.